How do you like your first snowstorm?
It's amazing. Look at the car. Who's in there? Who's in there?
Are you freezing?
Yeah. Where's your gloves?
I forgot to bring them.